happy Monday. So I am in the kitchen clearing off all of the countertops because guess what's happening today? I am finally getting my kitchen backsplash installed and I'm so excited about it. It's gonna be, I finally decided to go with this. It is a alabaster color. It's close to white, but it's not stark white because I don't have a white house. My home is more like of an ivory tone. So it is like an off-white, but it's not flat either. I know you probably can't tell. It has a few like ripples and stuff in it. It's not like flat. So I'm hoping that while it's up, you're gonna be able to see that depth in it. But anyway, so the guys are on their way to install it and I can't wait. I told them that I wanted them to not only just take it around the edges here, I wanted to go like all the way up because I just wanted to be a little bit dramatic, you know what I mean? But here it is right here. I ended up getting 6 boxes of it. So based on the square feet that he measured, this should be enough. I'm also in the process of thinking of repainting the what is that, the molding around like the windows and the doors and stuff to a bit more of a whitish. It has like a yellow undertone, and so now I wanted to kind of match with the backsplash, but I think it's gonna look good. So I started like putting it around the wall so I can kind of see, and I really like the way that it looks. I felt like if I got a backsplash that was very like busy and detailed and patterned and stuff like that, that I would get tired of it because my countertops are like hecka busy, which you guys know that was like my biggest thing, was like I didn't want busy backsplash and then busy countertops, and I'm not changing out these because this is what you call expensive to change out, okay? So I'm just gonna keep it simple with the backsplash. The whole house is just kind of under construction right now, but I'm gonna go ahead on and clear off everything else. I already started over there with my coffee station, so that's the materials they're gonna be using. So I'm gonna go ahead on and clear off my little, you know, back area that I keep behind my sink. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Do you see it? All right guys, so here we are. I had these turned this way because I was thinking initially of going upward in the middle, but I don't want to. So this is where we are. He still has to complete right there, and of course grout it with the it's called Avalanche off-white grout. But I am really liking it. I'm gonna really love it once they fill everything in. I ran out of a box, which is why it's incomplete. So it is the next day, and I got 2 boxes just to be sure. So should be able to finish tonight. He's supposed to be back. Of course, I had to pull the stove out. It's coming together. Can't you see it with the greenery? Ah! Yes. All right, guys, it's done, and it looks so good, and I'm so excited. Y'all see it? So I have all of the cleaning products out right now because I'm gonna go ahead on and clean all the surfaces from them working in here and, you know, being on the surface and the grout and all the adhesive, everything. I just want it to be like cleaned and disinfected. So let's see, this is it. It looks so good, guys. It looks so good. Oh, I feel like I sort of have my kind of white kitchen. It really brightens things up in here. But let me give you a close-up. All right, so you guys see what I was saying by it's not a flat subway tile. It has a ripple effect in it. So it's got a lot of depth to it, which is what I really liked about it. So you can see like a lot of detail in it. And I went with, of course, whiter grout. Now, one thing I told you I wanted them to do was to go all the way up. And that's what he did. And another thing I'm going to get done, I'm going to have the trim repainted. Because I feel like it's too ivory of a color. So I want my trim to be a bit more closer to white. So I'm going to get that done too. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead on and start cleaning up this place. Love my comment, love my comment.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds. And as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever.
With granite, you know, it can be hard to really see if your surface is clean, and you guys know that's because of the pattern and everything. You can never really tell. So I just kind of started running my hand across it to make sure that it's smooth and that I don't feel any ridges or any lumps or any bumps, because that's how I'll know that it's clean. If you run your hand across it and you feeling stuff, it's still, it's like stuff that's there that you just can't see. So everything is nice and clean. But these are my surfaces, so now I'm gonna do my floor, and I'll be done disinfecting.
I don't really care about love. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, something about you. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side.
That's why I love this stuff. It picks up all that burnt up sticky stuff off the stove. So Overstock just delivered my new rug. I haven't been able to like completely take it out and look at it, but so far, just from looking at that, I think I love it. I really think I love it. So I need to unroll it, and yeah, this is so, oh my gosh, I think I love it, y'all. Okay, y'all, so here they are side by side, so you can really see the difference. So you see how, oh my gosh, it's such an elevation. I am in love with this rug, y'all, and it's so freaking soft. Oh my gosh. And then it has like these shimmers in it. It like glistens in the light.